live from Las Vegas. It is Kate and Daxx's red wedding. You can go back and show Travis Barker this and be like, I told you we should have had more roses. On the top, I want them to be like a little wider. Child. I'm really hoping we can do this, yes? This is hardcore
this is the best
family. Oh my God, they're going around the cake. I'm so proud of you. I'm so happy for you. We are so excited. Welcome to Kate and Daxx's wedding weekend. This is day one of setup, but we actually started last night. Our team got here at 6 in the morning with 2 semi-trucks, 4 backup trucks, and lots of other stuff. I started working at 4, and right now I am taking our place cards and matching them to everyone's seat on the table. There's so much to do on a wedding day, so many details, and I really like to be as organized as humanly possible. I feel like the more work you do up front, the better you'll be on the back end. Now, I have wanted to do a really immersive red wedding for a very long time. And so we envisioned this white, pristine ceremony structure dripping with red roses, covered with the hanging amaranthus, and we wanted to do structures that somewhat looked like smoke, somewhat looked like flames, and Kate and Daxx are so connected, and the idea of twin flames seemed so interesting to me. So Edgar's team actually built these over 16 feet high, handcrafted with fabric, fireproofed, just to make sure that everyone is safe, and we are going to light them up in this beautiful hot pink.
From the block to the top, moving, get on up, come on, let's bring that heat. Chase that dream, ain't no time to retreat. Come on, get on up.
This room and that structure are so exquisite. We wanted to take advantage of it and do something a little different. So after the ceremony, guests will go out into the pre-function space where they will enjoy a cocktail hour. Then we are going to change this aisle, bring it in, and we are setting up kind of like a speakeasy hidden surprise. Come on in. And we will reveal this ballroom. Cake will go dead center. It is going to match the rest of the room because it's going to have this fondant that has draping and roses. This moment, the way that we feel right now, this is why we do what we do. This is the reason that we bend the world to our will and create something that was never before, never again. Blessed to have you as a part of my team. Yes, now we're going to have fun. Come on, let's do it. Look at you, gorgeous face. Wow. I'm like, so I gave you something worth flying in for.
Yeah.
I never let you fall. Are you ready?
I don't know.
You are.
Yes, I am. I'm so excited.
Go ahead.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I love.
I'm so happy. It's so beautiful.
It's gorgeous.
It's really, I mean. look at your bar.
Oh my God.
Where are you?
She's.
Oh my God. Oh my God. You look amazing.
Thank you. This is incredible.
What is this? What did you do?
You like it?
What did you do?
Duh.
This is family.
Bam.
This is hardcore.
This is the best black
family.
planner in Las Vegas, man.
I mean. Hold your bouquet nice and low. She's sitting next to Grandma Marilyn right there. And when she is there, you're then going to step back and go sit next to your wife, okay? I would keep one hand down and write like that. Stop for a minute.
Yeah. Thank you for everything.
Stop, 'cause now I'm going to cry. You can't cry because now I'm going to cry. I'm so proud of you. I'm so happy for you. Look, smiles right here.